Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Before beginning on my speaking, let's thank to Allah who has give us mercy and blessing until we can meet together in this special video. Salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He has brought ummah from a darkness to the lightness, from jahiliyah to Islamiyah era. My honorable to Miss Marilla and my honorable to all of my friends. I want to introduce myself. My name is Radi Hidayat, student of Oil and Gas Processing Technology. Standing here, I am going to present my final project titled Evaluation of Pressure Drop and Heat Leak in Unloading LNG Pipes at PT Perta Arungas. The focus of this study is on the operational challenge faced during the LNG unloading process at PT Perta Arungas. LNG, or liquid natural gas, is primarily composed of methane and stored at extreme low temperature around min 160 derajat Celsius. During the unloading process, it is critical to manage the pressure drop and heat leak to ensure the LNG remain in liquid form meet the entry requirement for storage tank. Okay. Problem statement in my projects. How much the pressure drop during the LNG unloading process? Number 2, how can we determine the type of flow during LNG unloading? 3, what is the magnitude of heat leak during the LNG unloading process? In the objective, I have two research objectives. One, research objectives remain as one of the requirements to complete the diploma education in chemical engineering, oil and gas processing technology study program at Polytechnic Negeri Lok Semawe. 2, specific objective. A, to calculate the magnitude of pressure drop during LNG unloading process. B, to calculate the magnitude of heat leak during the LNG unloading process. C, to determine the type of flow during the LNG unloading process. In this section, we will review the key concepts and principles relevant to our study. Firstly, LNG, or liquid natural gas, is natural gas that has been cooled to liquid state approximates min 160 derajat Celsius. This cooling process significantly reduces its volume, making it easier and more economical to transport and store. LNG, predominant composed of methane, typically ranges between 85% to 95% more, which makes it a high efficient and clean burning fuel. To understand the flow pattern with the LNG unloading pipes, we refer to the concept of the Reynolds number. The Reynolds number is dimensional quantity used to predict flow pattern in different fluid flow situations according to also. The flow pattern can be determined by this number, which have distinguished between laminar flow, where the fluid flow and parallel layer with minimal disruption, and turbulent flow, where the flow choke with eddies and vortices. Heat transfer mechanisms are another aspect of our study. They are the primary methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer through a solid material or between substances in direct contact, driven by the temperature gradient. Convection involves A transfer hit by the physical movement of fluid, such the surrounding air or mineral. Understand these fundamental properties and behavior of LNG, as well as the mechanism of heat transfer and flow pattern is crucial for optimize the LNG unloading process and ensuring safety. The theoretical foundation for our research objective method enable used to measure and analyze the performance of the LNG unloading system at PT Perta Arun Gas. Okay, equipment performance evaluation is done. First, pressure drop. Number 2, heat leak. 3, flow types. This is flow sheet length unloading LNG. LNG from the ship to the storage tank. Methodology, location and time. The observation were conducted from December to January 224 of the regasification unit at PT Perta Arun Gas in Luxmoya City, Aceh. Process equipment. Number 1, tank LNG. 2, Umbert. 3, transfer pump. 4, line pipe unloading. Performance indication, pressure, temperature and pipe length. System limitation. This is line pipe unloading. Everyone, thank you. Do not hesitate to ask us first about the proposal here. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.